Good afternoon, good morning, good day. Wow, super excited. It's a great day. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Update with Mayowa Owolabi. And I'm excited for you. I'm excited myself, waiting for some amazing green lights so that I can shoot. Oh, guys, super excited. Super excited. It's going to be a great time today, as usual. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon. Good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. Type in I can. Type in I can. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Fantastic. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good afternoon. Good morning. Okay. Obasi Isaac says I can. Fantastic. Great. So, okay. Where are we? Okay, fantastic. I think we are good now. So a lot is happening in the Forex market. One more time, I want to welcome you to the cryptocurrency update with Mayowa Owolabi. Every Thursday, 2 p.m., we'll come here. I want to talk about projects that we strongly believe can give us the kind of month profit we have. And for a lot of you who don't know me, I'm a 100x superhero, and I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Okay, we did a 100x on Ags Infinity. We did over 100x on Ags Infinity. We did over 100x on Bitcoin, Cool Cash. We did a diamond. We did a lot of 100x the last bull run, and I'm excited that I'm waiting for it. Right now, we have close to about 60 projects in our community that we are looking out for the next bull run. So the goal is to, okay, let's put $50 in all of these and watch out for an average of 25 of them give, or 20 to 25 of them give us 100x, while we see some 10x, 20x on others, because the next bull run is going to be amazing. Okay, like I do tell you, cryptocurrency is all about cycle. Once you understand the cycle, you can leverage on that and you can multiply your money and you're good to go. Okay, so my best wish is to let you know that I'm ready to start loading up my cryptocurrency portfolio because it is time. And when it is time, it is time. Like it is time. It is time. You need to start buying, going in slightly, some $50, some $100, some $200. Start loading up because 6 months to the halving is always a time to start loading up. Okay. One more time, I welcome you guys. If this is your first time, you're welcome to Cryptocurrency Update. Super pumped up. Good to have you guys around. So let's get busy. As usual, the first thing we always want to check is to know the fundamental that is happening in the cryptocurrency space. What has happened? What is happening? Who is annoyed? Who is shaking the table? And like I do tell you guys, you don't want to follow what these people are saying. A lot of time when you follow them, the media is always used to deceive the investors. That is the essence of the media. So don't be carried away. That is why Warren Buffett will always say that we should do the opposite of what the media is saying. Well, and we have seen that work for him for over 35 years, going to 40 years, actively investing. So the first pillar we always check is the fundamental to know what has happened lately in the cryptocurrency space and how we can leverage and take informed decision. So the first one we have here is Elon Musk's X symbol rebranding boosts X tokens price by over 2,000%. That's crazy. That is crazy. What project is that? Because a lot of people just feel that he's the owner of the X project. Can you imagine? Wow. 2,000% is crazy, guys. Okay. I need to know that project that did that crazy return in 24 hours. You see, we can't ignore these top guys when it comes to this industry. You have to leverage on what they can do. Bitcoin whales, exchanges inflow, share hits. 1 year high over 40%. Okay. Repo SEC ruling leaves regulatory questions unanswered. They know what they're doing, guys. These guys know what they are doing. These guys know what they're doing. Largest metaverse platform, uh, Autoverse to launch next generation Web3. I think we spoke about this Autoverse last week. Okay, we spoke about this guy too last week. The Equibet incubator platform. Okay, Ethereum price 18% hit all-time high. That's the liquid staking, guys. That's the liquid staking. So let's check what this. Let's check what that is doing. Then there's really nothing much on the fundamental. Let's go to the fear and greed. Let's go to the fear and greed. Let's go to the fear and greed. Last week, the fear and greed was at 53, 52. This week is still at 52. So no direction, guys. No direction. No direction right now. So just give it some time. Let it load up. Okay? Let's give it some time. Let it load up. And we're good to go. So let's go to the technical section. Wow, I think I closed that. Let's go to the technical analysis session. A lot of projects that we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about 4 projects that just got some amazing investments. Then we'll also check the technical analysis to know what we are expecting. Let's go. So also, what project are you guys looking at? What project are you guys? Let's go. Let's go check them out. Bitcoin, digital currency, Bitcoin. Load up. Some of us are just joining. Where are you joining from? Thank you for jumping on the call. Where are you guys joining from? The fear and greed is around 52. Nothing really. So let's go on the technical. Then I'll talk to you guys about 3 projects that just came to my radar this last week. You need to go to crypto, not Forex. Okay. So last week I spoke to us about what this project called Bitcoin can do. That is just stopped. It's stopped where it is right now. And I'm expecting a retracement. It needs to drop. It needs to drop so that a lot of us can buy. Last July ended with a pin bar rejection. We had this rally on this monthly, which I don't see this other block. I don't see this other block hold. Okay, so I see this guy drops down, or it breaks and comes to this 44. Then we now see a huge drop from 44. But I can't buy right now. Sincerely, I can't buy right now. So I'm going to be waiting. Anything below 17, below 10, I'll be buying heavily, like heavily. But right now I can't buy. You see, when you understand technical analysis, it gives you a hedge. You're not just buying the market, you're also buying at the potential levels, which we call location. Everybody type in location. I used to tell you guys, if you've been following me in the Forex space, Samu Joe, how are you doing, my brother? I used to tell you guys that it's all about location. When it comes to crypto, location is very key. The same way I predicted that Bitcoin was going to buy at 4,000 at the last bull run. What did I see? I saw a location. A lot of people, Bitcoin was around 19,000 when I said it was coming to 4,000. People did not believe. And we are here again now, okay? We're here again. We need to see this guy drop. Not because of the way I feel, but what I have studied about the market. That this market always look for a potential zone to reverse from. Okay, and we are yet to see all of this. We're yet to see all of this. So I see this guy come back down to an average of 17,000. Okay, because of the having, I might start buying because of having, because I like to honor having a lot. The last bull run haven't gave me a lot of reason to start buying, and I made so much money for myself. But right now, I would prefer it comes below. These are the three areas of interest. For a lot of you that has been following me, I've been telling you this for the past over 1 year. Okay, so he has to come here or he come here. So these are my three locations that I'm going to be buying Bitcoin from. And from this place, we can start. We'll be expecting 150 to 250. That's our landmark. That's our landmark. But he has to complete the rejection. That's what I'm after, basically. He has to complete that. So we need to see this guy drop to anything 17, 11. I'll do some chunk. Do some buying at 17. I'll do some buying at 19. Then I'll at 9, sorry. At 10. At 10. That's 10, 9, 940. Around 10, I'll do my main buy, I'll do some add up again. Then if it comes to 7,000, then I'll do the full add-on. I'll do the full add-on. And at that full add-on, here we go. We're going to be facing 150 in the next bull run. And I'm excited about that. I've studied it for a while. The beauty of the way I approach the market is not just because I'm a trader. I'm a big investor. I leverage on the investing model, and it's making a lot of sense for me. Okay, guys, what project do you want us to check today? Do you have any project you want us to check? The fundamentals, the investors. I don't invest in project that does not have investors. It's one of my major criteria to invest. That is why my funds are more secured. Okay, my funds are more secured. The first rule of making money is to protect your capital, guys. That's the first rule of investment. Protect your capital. So if protect your capital is major, that means that you must be deliberate with the type of project that you're investing your money in. So let me talk about one of the projects that just got my radar last night. Okay, so you want to add it to your watch list. You want to add it to your watch lists. So it's really looking. Conductive. So Conductive just came in yesterday, and one of the VCs I respect so much. Still loading. It's taking some time, right? Guys, if you're just joining, let me know where you're joining from. If you're just joining, let me know where you're joining from. Okay. So last night, Kraken, Animoca, Axie 8 Ventures, they just backed up this project called Conductive, which is under fundraising right now. So I see this project do well in the next bull run if it goes live before that. The second project that I'm looking at on my radar is the dollar. I got funded with 30 million. Like, that's a lot, guys. That's a lot. So if they can have $30 million, okay, which is not totally bad, because I always like projects that have not experienced any bull run before. So I see this project in the next bull run get his way back to $1 61 cent. Okay, why? Now don't forget, this is, you have to do your own. Hey guys, you have to do your own research. Okay, this is not a financial advice. This is where I'm going to be putting my money. Okay, amidst almost other projects that I have in mind, I will be considering dollar. Okay, so don't say, oh, Mr. Mayowa said I should put money. Yeah, I said I is a good project. However, it is not an like a financial advice to go and put your hard-earned money. You worked hard for that money, so you have to do your own research to put in money in any project. Okay, so iDollar got my attention. He has a diluted market cap of about 39 million, which is about 40 million. The coin circulation is just about 31%. Okay, and it's I think he has about 20,000 watch lists. So I think this is good. I think this is good. So for me, I will be hiring this project anytime soon. I'll be adding it to the list of my to my portfolio, but I've not added it. But it has got into my desk. I've vetted it, and I think I love it. If you can get back to $1, so if I put in $50 here, for example, you're going to give me $16,000. Okay, if you give me 16,000 coins, if it goes back to 16, if it goes back to $1, if it goes back 16,614 times 1.61, okay, uh, that will give about 26,000 US dollars, which is not bad. Okay, let's say maybe we projected too much. Let's even say that give us $10,000. That's still a good business. So this is how I look for my low cap projects that can give 100x, 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 100x in the next bull run. 100x in the next bull run. Okay. Yes, very, very possible, which is the same thing that happened to a lot of the project that performed last bull run. So I spoke about iDollar, I think, and I also think iDollar should come down more. Okay. I think it should come down more, maybe to 0.001. Okay. Things should come down more, maybe to 0.001. If we can get that. 30 million was moved in by Animoca, uh, Ashkey, Ash Fund, Long Life, Long Link Capital. We are the first set of people that invested in this project. So let's see how this project will perform in the next bull run. Okay, is that good? Am I helping? Okay, the best you can do for me is to click on the like button and share this video so that other people can get this training for free. Okay, what project do you guys want me to check again? What project do you guys want me to check again? Any project you want the technical analysis, any projects you've seen on YouTube and you're like, Mr. Mayo, I need to check this out. Any project, guys? So just drop that so that. So let's check Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Okay, Lucky says OGN. OGN. Okay. Then Joshua says log. That's log reading finance. Okay. So let's check. We check Ethereum. Then we check log reading finance. So he has gained some traction. Last week it was around 1875. Now today is at 1833. Okay, which is not bad. Which is not bad. But like I said, it has to drop. There's not enough volume to give us what we are looking for right now. So I can't buy Ethereum for long term right now. Okay, let's go and check OGN. I think OGN is a project that has been on that was up last bull run. This guy has over 100 million DVM. And it's been on for since 2018. Okay, it's a good project, but it's not a project that can give 100x. It's not a project that can give 100x. A project that can give 10x, 20x, 50x. It's a good project. Look at the people involved. Pantera Capital, Coin Lists, okay. Kinetic Capital, they are not bad. They are not bad. So these three guys are not bad at all. They are not bad at all. CoinList is a good launch pad. A lot of CoinList projects usually perform. But the challenge I have is that this guy has been on since 2018. Okay, so some of these investors would have cashed out. Some of these investors would have cashed out, so they might not. A lot of time, we are the one looking for 100x. Some of these investors are not after 100x. They are after 50x, 20x. They just promise their retail investors or group investors maybe 10% or 20%, 10 to 20% per year. So for them to have seen 486%, hey, depending on the agreement that they have with the company, with Origin Protocol, they might have cashed out. Okay, they must have cashed out. Another way to check is to check unlock token unlock. So you can use token unlock to know if they've taken off all their money from the project. Because if they are taking all their money from the project, I can't put my money there. I can't put my money there. To consider OGN is not even on is not here. So with this, one can know if a lot of these project people still have money inside. For example, now I told you guys about actors that we have to have actors. I spoke to you guys that you need to have space ID. So you want to know, if you click here now, you will know. Okay, you see that space ID still has a lot of. I'm sharing with you guys some deep deep stuff, right? So you can use that to know anything space ID is still doing. Because you want to also know the vesting. So this guy has a 480 million, okay, unlocked, total locked. They've unlocked 14% of their token. And don't forget that it is what is unlocked that can be converted. So this their vesting schedule. If you upgrade to the paid version, you can see those that have claimed. So you want to know, okay, for example now, okay, their team, they still have 300 million token. Okay, that's 12 months. They have 12-month cliffs, and 60 million will be released quarterly. So you can see the ecosystem, 50% TGE. So you can see this is the breakdown of the vessel. So that means that they cannot run away, because some of these projects it will take 12 months to release them. Look at the foundation. It's going to take 48 months. So this is why you need to know the vesting projects, what, so that they will not go and cash out on you and I. With this help, you guys, with this help, so you have to be very, very deliberate. Be very, very deliberate. Adam says, Adam Safolani says, good afternoon, coach. Thank you for all your effort in building the business empire. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So please always use the unlock so that you would know. Let's go and check logarithm. So for me, I would not put money in OGN. Okay, it won't give me, there are still other projects that can give me more than what OGN can give me. My thinking, I can be wrong. Log, I can be very, very wrong. The only thing I leverage on is the pattern. Patterns don't lie. So this one is not yet launched. Are they doing airdrop? It's not yet launched now. Are they doing airdrop? This project has been on for a long time. They've not just gone public. But why did you mention logarithm finance? Log is in pre-sale. See, log is in pre-sale. Okay. Who are the people behind log, Mr. Joshua? Have you checked? Where's their team? Where's their team? They don't have a team and they are running finance. A lot of these finance that don't have team, there's God. Though. Let's go to the about us. Uh, uh, even the finance, the DeFi projects that has the team sef, they are still running away with our money. Well, this will be a bit risky, but it's not bad. It's not bad. But I don't have anybody. I don't have no investor. No, let's check because sometimes use case is not enough. Okay, use case is not enough. The project was kickstarted in 2021, and since then the team has been working day and night to revolutionize that. So who are the people backing you people since 2021? I don't want to be going to their light people. Mr. Joshua, do you have any reason for considering this? Because I'm not seeing all those things that I want to see. I know they will. We have about 20 something thousand crypto projects. We have about 20 something thousand crypto projects. You don't want to, you don't, over 20,000 crypto projects, you have to be very selective. X. X. One of the reasons I will buy X is because SEC has tackled Richard. Any project SEC goes after like this, honor them. Any projects SEC, go after them because like they are using that. Look at the held Ripple for almost how many months? For almost 2 years, and finally they released them, and immediately XRP started going up. So that alone is a reason why you can consider X. That alone is the reason why. But instead of doing X, I would rather want to do PLS, pulse chain. Okay, because PLS is more. X has experienced bull run. PLS have not. PLS just came out. It's owned by the same owner. So but PLS already has 8 billion. Like, so let me check the PLS network. I think there's also PLS pad, Dogecoin. You don't want to also this is better if for low capital. This is better because at 0.002, if it goes to 0.4, I'd rather buy this because this is their launch pad. Okay, because a lot of projects will be launched on the platform. So I'd rather buy this. So if I buy this guy at this rate, so it means that any project they want to launch in the future, they want to launch it on pulse pad. Okay, and I love launch pad. Launch pads are always performing in bull run because a lot of projects will be launched on the platform. So if I put in $100 here, I can generate 41,000 tokens. If I put in 41,000 tokens down, and this guy goes to 0.04, how much is that for us? Times 0.4 to the all-time high. That's 16,000 US dollars. That's 16,000 US dollars. Consider that they're already harassing this guy right now. I would rather go for one of his projects that has the potential. Can you imagine? Immediately they started talking about him. See, look at the pulse pad. It went to 22, 24%. And the guy is a sound marketer. Sound marketer. Like sound marketer. Very, very sound marketer. So if I can get some fractions of pulse pad around 0.001, I think it will be good. But I don't think it will get to 0.001 because he's already giving us price action. He's already giving us price action. Naturally, any project Richard is on is a sound. So if you can go to all-time high, let me see. So this guy have not, and guys, is a sound marketer. He's a sound marketer. So Pulse should be a very good project to go in instead of X. Let's go back to X. Like I said, the main reason why I will not do X, is because it's not new to the market. A lot of people would have cashed out on it. Okay, so it might not be able to give me that kind of long might not be able to give me the kind of long project, long term. And you see, 3 billion, I'm not, no matter, billion. So if it does 10x, it can't give us. It can't give us. Are we guys learning? Are we guys getting it? Are we guys getting the concept right now? Lucky, is it clear? I chose log because it was said to do well in pre-sale. It was said to do well. I chose log because it was said to do well. Well, it's not, it's like I said, it's not a bad project. Just that you see, when there are too much, there are too much options. You have to have enough filters to sieve. Not that you are be the best or not to lose money, but you want to put in all the necessary filters that will save you from investing in everything. Because like I said, 26,000 tokens every single day is a lot, and they are still launching. A lot of projects are still coming in. In my watch list for new project that will be coming in later, I already have close to about if not 100 tokens that has met my criteria. So I really don't want you to buy projects. Just have your identify your check your filters well, and go and sit down and check patterns. What happens in the last bull run? I've given you several case studies. So extract from those case studies, develop your own checklist, and ask yourself, has it met this? Okay, like for every other crypto traders outside there, they invest in any project. They invest in any project. Okay, they invest in any project, but I don't want to invest in any project. I want to invest in project that has the capacity to give to me what I want. Any question, guys? Tell me. Any question? Go. Great. So I think we are good. I think we are good. So we spoke about pulse part today. Pulse part is better than pulse. I think they have pulse Dogecoin too. So instead of doing pulse token, instead of doing pulse chain, so instead of doing pulse chain, I would do pulse pad. Let's see Poch Dogecoin. Poch Dogecoin, no, it doesn't even have. Poch Dogecoin has not even done anything, and it has done $11 before. Yep. I wish we can get a cheaper price for this Pulse Dogecoin. I wish we can, because I see this guy do well. especially that his name is on radar. The guy will be leveraging on, he will be leveraging on the stuff right now. That's what he will be doing. He'll be leveraging on the fundamentals right now. That's what he will be doing. That's what he's going to be doing. So please, maybe I'll just add it to my main coin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll add it to my main coin. Can we start buying V? Can we start buying Karat? Let's check Karat now. Where's Karat? Let's check. Let's check. Coming. Pause. Part. Agbára Ọlọ́run. Karat. Combat. It's not a bad time to buy Karat. It's just that collectively, I want it to come lower. If you understand what I'm saying, you're good. Because this is, if you put in, like that's why I used to do $100 case study for you guys. If you put in $100 or $50 on Karat right now, it's currently at 0.009. Let's say 0.001. 0.001. Okay, if you put in $100 here, it will give you 138 tokens. If you put it now, you understand? If you put it now, we give you that. Then you wait for it to do times 0.1. Just allow it to do 0.1. You're good. And it's a new project. So, and I see this guy do $1 in the next bull run. He should be able to do $1. That's my financial advice, so that some of you will not go and say you want to put all your life earning inside. Like your earning, any money you have, you share it. My portfolio has close to my portfolio have close to about 30 projects. So if I'm putting $30,000, I'm putting it on all of them. So there's no project that is guaranteed. But like I told you guys, I don't invest in project that does not have investors. Ashkey, fantastic. Gate.io is a good launch pad. I think it's just Ashkey that is the major guy here. Ashkey is the major guy here. So, but 25 people can't be wrong, guys. 25 investors cannot be wrong. 25 top investors. These are people that will not give them 1 million or any amount if they've not met their team, their CEO, understand what is possible. This guy had 18 million. They raised 18 million. 18 million. That's a lot of money. Okay, so those are my concerns. That's why I said that these are things you need to really know. So, but right now it's not a bad time to buy. Okay, just that there's more potentials to go down more because the objects are not ready to. They just move together. If you sit down and check March March 12, 2020. So March 11, if you check between March 1st and March 15, 2020, 80% of all the cryptocurrency globally, they created the same candle formation and all of them started moving up. So those are the things you want to so but right now there's a lot of irregularities. Link is going down, Bitcoin is going down. One of the uh, blockchain ecosystem, layer one is going up. So there is a lot of irregularities right now. But when the time that we are talking about comes, a lot of time they will move together. Okay. So current combat is not a bad time to buy. You can put $20. If it goes down more, if you're interested in it, you add more. It's just all about what successful people are doing. Do the same thing. Okay. Fantastic. So that'll be all for today. What will you say to my team? Making sure that Mr. Mayowa is here every week. They will always give me a reminder. You have a session. You need to help some people today. And it's been amazing, guys. It's been amazing. Fantastic. So, guys, fantastic. Congratulations to, if you're in Lagos, I want to invite you to my yearly event, money conference. I'm sure you'd have been seeing it from my team. Make sure you reach out to them. We're teaching you guys about money, how to make money, where to make money. And this is the time to actually, like I didn't plan it, that I didn't know that recession will hit us. Okay, but so make sure you're at this event. If you're in Lagos, it's 10,000 naira. And if you're outside Lagos, you can also pay to get the link so that you can join the live stream. I'll be teaching on how to make money, generate cash flow. Dr. Stephen will be speaking on where to invest. Pastor BC will be teaching on how to balance money and family. A lot of us, when you don't have money, you are fighting your wife. Your wife is fighting you, or you are fighting your husband. Okay. Tobobani will be speaking there. Will share with us how he grew his business from local Ugo host to global Ugo host. Okay. Yeah, Ugo. So those are it's very important. The link will be dropped for you guys on the group. I've also dropped several airdrops for you guys. Make sure you don't miss it. There's Venom, there is Sopra. I have claimed close to about 700 Sopra. So if Sopra goes to $1, guys, that is that's $500. If Sopra goes to $10, that is $5,000. Okay, so if you are not on the Discord Telegram group, reach out to the admin of our company on the number scrolling on the screen, so that she can add you to the Discord, to the Telegram group for cryptocurrency. I drop a lot of stuff there. But I'm also considering dropping projects as they gain investors, confidence. I'll also be putting that in once the portfolio manager, when the team is game with that. Okay, so it's still a suggestion. Okay, so make sure you reach out to Bukola, get your ticket. I'll see you guys at that event. It's going to be an amazing time, that I can guarantee you. I'm going to be pouring out my mind on game, on so many things that I'm using to make money. I'll see you guys next week. Have a pleasant evening. My name remains Mayowa. I'll see you at the top and not from the top. Peace out, guys.